Next game, Kiko Gray and James Narisma. We start their game on the time. Airball. They got both wins from a default team. So, yan the tie. Fake by pass. But number 5 got the ball. Into number 5, an assist, an attempted assist, but no goal. Check ball. James Narisma ball. He attempted for 2 points, and there you go at the bottom of the net, 2 points for there. Number 4, and rebound. Right. Red ball, green ball. Uses the handles. And again intercepted. Nicely by James Narisma. They want to win this game. So they're up 8 now by number 11. Shooting. 1 free throw, guys. By number 4. Number 4, no good. Rebound by red team. Red team. Matt, number 6. Matt, jump shot. Only 1 point. No good. Number 5 shooting it. Pass to number 3. Take Narisma. Number 3. Step out. Side step. Plus 2 points. Blue ball. Red ball. Our official score is 0-2 in favor of James Narisma. Number 7 drive. Number 7 falls. It rolls in. That makes the score 2-1. Number 4 James Narisma dribbling the ball. Will he drive? Almost loses the handle. He makes a drive. He loses his. Good! And automatic 1 point. 3-1. Number 6, making his way. Number 6, fake, almost slip, and he loses the handle. James Narisma ball with a steal. He steps. No good. Perfect point. Will he take? Will he shot? No. There you go, 2 points. All 3 now. They attempted 2 points as well, and there's an answer for a 5-3 lead of James Narisma. Neil for a jump shot. No good. Rebound number 5. And again a fake. He drives. He pops. He drops it to number 5 for a quick layup. No good. Rebound again by number 5 in the second win. Red ball. Red ball. As per ref 10. Red ball. Green ball. Check ball. There you go. And the game is live. Number 6. Dribbling. Fake, but back from behind. There you go. The play was given to red. So outside, guys. Always. And Neil number. A quick drive, a layup on a foul was made the contact number 11. Second, team foul. Second, personal foul. With number 11 of Cochrane. Free throw goes to number 4 of James Narisma. Will it be good? 1 more. Out the... Still, but yeah. Set it down. Rebound. There you go, number 7. Bouncing the ball. He attempted for 2. Will he make it? Nope. Ball goes to James Narisma on the side. Will they slide? Number 5. Back 2. Number 3. Jump shot. Oh, another 1 point. 1 point. So, next score na namin. Number 4. With 2 points. 9-4. James, that is mga lead. Let him shoot. There is a man. In and out of the rebound for the red team. And there goes. It's still, but he didn't get it out. There you go. Good shot. Almost out. It's still good. Light ball. Good ball. Jump shot. For number 6. 1 point. 9-5. The game play. And still in the ball. Number 5. Go to the corner of the court. We attempted a follow through. No good. Rebound. The number 6. Go back and big. Two ways. Jump shot. Bang. 9-6. Slowly but surely. There you go. Number 5. Post up play. Making his name at the bottom of the court. Post up play and there's an answer. No answer from the break. Dribble. Loses the handle. But uncontested to rebound by number 6. Red team. Switching. Next switch. 4-8. Oh no, the shoes. Whoa! Jelly. Okay, shoelace. Sub. Later. Substitution. Mac. Number 6 out. Miguel. Number 8 in. 10-7. Ball of James. There is my check ball. Let's go back to the ball game. Post up play. Immediately with number 5. Power move. Even by James, there is mistake. That makes the score 11-7. To Neil. Will they make a power move now? Skip it. They prefer a jump shot. From James. No good. Rebound. By James, there is thank you. Lining ahead. Again, I lose 3. No, 2 points. Sorry. There you go. Cochrane ball. And a jump shot that makes 11-8. And there's a whistle. And there's a foul. Foul number 8. First foul. Third degree foul. Free throw. Rebound by number 8. Number 7. Nice. Number 7. Loses the grip. Rebound. By number 4. Number 4 making a shot. Will he do the 2-point? Air ball. Rebound by Miguel. Number 8. Try to jump for it. What a pass. But he loses the handle again. Shot clock as per ref. James Terry on the ball. Number 4. Back to number 5. What a quick pop and go play. Number 1. No, in and out. 14-8 in favor of James Terry. Who's next? Next. 15-8 in favor of James Charisma's team. Courtesy. Miguel and the foul for number 3. Substitution. First shot for Miguel. 2 shots. First shot. Will the make come back? 1 point. 9-15. 15-9 in favor of James Charisma's team. Second shot. Miguel, 2 for 2. That makes 15. 5-point lead. Number 4, dribbling the ball. He drive. Defended with number 11, he loses his right, but there's a one guy from Gayndaris who is all alone with the 2 points. Quick 2, almost in. There you go. A complete steal. Another one. Will we make a 2? No. Again! They need to put it out. Reset for James Charisma. Reset, jump shot. No good. There you go, number 7. Number 7 drive. Number 7 lays it up. It rolls out. Number 2, what a nice block from number 8. Number 8, make a pass to number 11 for a quick one. That's 17-13 with 7 minutes and 50 seconds left. Number 5, number 2 for 2 again. Again, half hands for James Charisma's number 2. Making it 19-13. 19-13 with 7 minutes and 30 seconds to go. Jump shot from number 6 of Cochrane, Miguel. Again, number 4 drive. Dribble behind the back. Backs it for a 2-pointer. No good. It is out of bounds. Red ball. Time. Substitution. Kneel out. Back in. Number 6, Matt, making his mark here. Mark! No good. They need to thrill a 5-point deficit in order to win. Number 3 drive. Pass to number 2. Pass number 2 making a fake. Will he shoot? No. He pops it. Oh! Number 3. 2 points game. Ball.
Just check it. You know how to check it on the player.
JF won the ball. He's making, deciding where to dribble. There you go. Jump shot. JF in and out. We got one stop walking. This is only raised to 7 points, right? 7 points. Eugene on the ball. Making his way through. It's a good goal. There is a whistle. Pushing foul. One shot for Eugene. The score is 3-0. Will he add more? And there you go. Now on the 4. Nothing, run. Jay making his first point. No good. It rolls off the rim. Stop ball, check ball. Ball by Eugene. Eugene making his. Will he fade? No, there you go. He goes right. Set back. Go step and a jump shot. But still no good. We're on 4-0.
Walang time, walang time ba sa 1 to 7?
Oh,
Asking for a check ball, deciding where to go. He will go left or right. There you go. He tries the jump shot. Now it's for 4-1. Black ball. Good job. He makes a shot. And there you go. 5 for Eugene. Last two. Jay. Big A. A step back to three. Double boards. 5-3. On score. He fights. He drives and he scores for Eugene. That's last. He's 6 points in the game. Little Jay follow through with a 2-point. Air ball. And 6-3. Black ball, green ball. Will he finish it? And there you go. He tried for a 2-point, but no good. So we have a one-stop rule. You miss opponent's goal. Jay drive. Jay is up. 6-4. Will Eugene settle for 2 points or a point? Almost took the ball. There you go. He drives. He's making his steal and there's a foul. Lucky. And for the win.
Pinatagal mo pa.
Now we have no chance to win this ball game. If Eugene hits his 1 point, game done. Will he finish it now? And there you go. Ball game. Shakes hands. Next game, not good.
Go to the post right away to Mario Bordeon, formerly of the USC Growling Tigers. Next number 8, James Charisma. Damasco. In the basketball, picks it up to Dennis. Back to Damasco. Eye-to-eye against Bordeon. Stops the jumper. Up the glass is good for Damasco. And of course, will try to introduce himself to the ball game for Redondo. This is that turnaround jumper. Go to Damasco again. Looks at his offense. Takes a dribble. From way downtown, that's short. They go out to the ball. They go inside again. They go to the well and what they emphasize this ball game against the semi-finals of the 3x3 or conference 3x3 challenge and a block for Redondo. 2-pointer. The ball will go out of bounds. Ball possession in favor of James Charisma. B2 by shooting. Alex Damasco knocks it down from deep. But working on all the back-to-back Pinoy use of his own hands. 5-3 is their tally now. Early goings of the semi-final ball game between James Narisma and White and Pinoy Otro steal for Paul Redondo. Two-pointer, too strong there. Yet si Paul Redondo is the reigning best player of the conference now. Calgary Kinder Club Basketball Association. Ang bigat nito, Andy Guzman sa Calgary, and Redondo gets that basket underneath. Shot fake, fly by the two-pointer. Misses there. Go back inside, go automatic. Pag nakuha ng Pinoy Otro sa bola, they try to go before they want underneath. But good defense there. That floater is good. So 5-all. Shot fake again. Jimenez takes it over. Straight away 3. Silent business for Paris. Redondo gets it. Creates that basketball. Close up. It's short. James Armstrong with the recon here. The mascot will open again. In and out. So both teams missing from the outside. Another miss there. But we on. Power dribble. Off their glass. It's good. So Edmonton. Crosstown Edmonton now ahead by 1. Baseline spin. Oh, what a movement. What a finish there for number 5. He ties the ball game. Mid-range J for Redondo. The shooter's bounce doesn't do it. The mascot. Good reception, but the ball goes out of bounds. Needs to respond if they want to be in this ball game. Godoy needs up his offense. Shot fake, step back, 2, no good. They go inside, but now nothing is in there. He was forced to hold on to the bigger Mario Borneon there. Substitution. Tosses over. There's a foul called on Clarence Damasco. Free throw for Pinoy Otro number 9.
Justice Arciaga.
Justice Arciaga at the free throw line here for Pinoy Otro trying to sustain a 7-point lead. He does there. 13 remaining in this ball game. Clarence, bullet pass inside. Intercepted. It goes out of bounds. Ball remaining with James Narisma. They're trailing by 7 points. In a normal basketball game, that's a very manageable lead or deficit. But in a 3-6 game, it's a bit harder to come back from a 7-point lead. But that time, Balawak makes it a basket underneath. This is it, but there was a contact, there was a foul on number 5, Ray Godoy.
Number 2 shot. Manchester 20 to number 3. Turnaround shot. 1 point. First line. There you go. Number 5. Team Narisma. Again, post-up play. They're looking for the mismatch, but he tries for a 2 points. Out of bounds. Big ball. 28 number 3. Again, too strong. Pass. He loses the handle. Out of bounds. James, Arisma team. Black and white. There you go. What a pass from the back. And assist. No assist for Gray. Out of bounds. That's a good setup. But quick to get the 2 points again. Another attempt. Will they do it again? Screen. Hesitation. Grab pass to number 3. One of block. Check the ball. 4 seconds to shoot. For referee again. And basket. On number 3. First team foul, first personal foul. And a bonus shot. And out. A follow through. There you go. 1 point packet for number 5 of James Charisma. The score is 2-1 now. Fake jump shot by number 3. That made the ball tie. Number 3 again of Charisma again. 3-2. Number 28 hesitates. Pass to number 35 to number 3. Will he shoot? No. He take a jump shot. Number 20. Hey, 2 points. They take the lead by 1. An answer. Nope. Number 3 using the ball. He takes his chances for another 2 points. For number 3 of Madeline Perez. Jake Charisma team setting up a play. Will he drive? Nope, a push-up play was done. There you go. Number 5. Number 5, a fake, a jump shot. Too strong. Pull out pass to number 3, to number 28. Will they make a 2 points again for number 28? That makes 8-3. And a follow through by number 3, 8-4, official score. Madeline Perez at 8. A block, but there's a put back, but still there you go. The hustle play makes the difference. 9-4, attempt for 2 points. Ball. And a try for 2 points. No good. On the rebound. Teardrop from the nice assist. 5-9. Number 28 again without anything but the bottom of the net. A steal. Will they make it to a drop? A steal again. Jason the ball. They're calling for a setup. And no, no good. Number 4 tries his own. Pass to number 5. Assist in 1 point. Game 11. That makes 11-7 official score. James Charisma team is trailing. Fake. Again, a 2 point attempt for number 28, and he's on fire. 37. 37, a dipsy do play, up and under. No good. Again, a 2 point attempt. Too strong. Substitution. 37 in favor of Team Madeline Perez. The ball goes to Prince. Prince take a 2 point attempt. No good rebound by. Who knows? No, okay, who's ball left? Save ball. Check ball. Prince to number 3. Jump shot. Number Number 5 of team, Narisma, James Narisma. Driving, pull it out. Take a shot for 2 points. Still no good. Number 29 on the rebound. Again, an attempt for 2. Too hard. And again, too strong. The ball goes to Narisma's team to number 5. Give it to number 2. Will he make a shot? Again. Wait, hey, there you go. A 2-point attempt. Number 29. Great. Number 3. And almost steal it. They got the steal. Number 3 takes a 2-point attempt. Then we back us out. In and out. Great for 2. Too strong. Number 5. Number 3. Number 3. Deciding what to do. He drives his fist and he makes a 1 point. That's 8. And check off. 13-8. Substitution. Timeout.
Which time out? Red. Wait. Time out, wait.
Back to the ball game. Check ball. It's Pearson ball. And there you go, Tyson, number 16, makes his bell presence for a 1 point. That makes 14-8. And rebound. Steve Medley Perez. And there you go, he's on his half-hand steal. And number 5, quick put back. There again. Plus 1. Number 28, number 2, no good. 69. And rebound by number 29. Prince attempts a 2 point. There is, rattles out. Rebound by number 2. You need to pull it out on the 3-point line. There you go. He attempts his own 2 points. No good. Another one. No, he drives. He did drop shot. That makes the score 10-16. Again, from nowhere. In and out for number 16. Number 2. No good with number 5 of James. There was there to score. 16-11. They're taking it there. And a pass for Tyson. But it was a bit short. Number 29. Defense, clean defense. What a pressure. Looking at 2. And light ball. The ball is still light. Number 2. Pass to number 5. Uncontested. Plus 1. 16-12. Number 28. Dribbling the ball. Takes the 2. Looking for it. Looking for a foul. No call was made. And that makes 16-14. Just simple as that, and the score is only 2 points away. But Tyson, he makes it 2. In and out. Congratulations again for Tyson for winning the 1v1. Short. There you go. They're feeling the stress. Chris drives his 2 points. No good, too strong. Sorry, the thanks is Rudy from number 29 business Tyson. All alone, no! But they got again. When he drives, he is the 2, no good. And he 2. Ball again to Perez Medley, number 20. They're deciding now to finish the game. Point by point. Tyson on the rebound. Prince for two. Bang! There you go. 20. Last ball. Last one. For Perez Medellin. Last point. Will they make a quick two? There you go. 2 points. 16-20. Will it be the last play for Perez Medellin to win the game? There you go. That 20 for the win. 21.